Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can send Google Hangouts messages from Airtable account automatically. So let's take an example that you are a property dealer and you have a marketing team who is physically searching for the properties and sending the property details to you. Now you want to send those property details to your team on Google Hangouts so that they can work upon the sale of the properties and they can approach the prospect customers. So you have created a new record in your Airtable base and you want that whenever you add a new record, you are adding the record of the property details like the name of the owner and from when the property is available and other details, its location and all other details. So now the idea here is that whenever you add a new record of your property in your Airtable base, automatically the details of the property should be shared as a message on Google Hangouts with your team so that they can work upon these properties and they can sell the properties to the prospect customers. For this, we need to create a connection between Airtable and Google Hangouts. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Airtable with Google Hangouts automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. Welcome back to my screen. Here we are going to search for Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By creating an account in Pabbly Connect, you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Airtable to Google Hangouts integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to send Google Hangout messages from Airtable. So open this trigger window and choose the application name as Airtable. Select the trigger event as new record in view. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token. Let us read the instructions. Log into Airtable to get your API key from the account section. So I'll take you to my Airtable account. So this is my Airtable account. Here we have to just click on profile and click on account. And when we scroll down, here we can find the API key. So I'm just going to copy this API key from here and I'll be pasting the same API key over here as a token. And let's click on save. Okay, and now the Airtable account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Airtable account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your Airtable account. Now here we have to select the base. So I'll take you to my Airtable account once again. Here I have created various bases. Okay, so we are going to access this Airtable to Google Hangouts base right now. And in this particular base, I have created a table named table 1. Where I have taken the fields for the owner name, mobile number, type, is property type, the price, the asked price, the property address as well as the created date and time. So we want to select this particular base and table name over here in Pabbly Connect. So let us select the base name, that is Airtable to Google Hangouts. Now here you can see that the table name is automatically captured just because I have created a single table in this particular base. If you have created multiple tables, from the drop down you can select your specific table name. Okay. Now here you have to select the view name as grid view. Now here we have to select the trigger field. Let us read the instructions. Create a field in your table schema with a field name created and field type created time. If you do not have a created field in your table schema, please create one that will be used to sort records, because without this field, trigger will not work correctly. That is the reason you can see that I have created a field over here named created. So in this way you have to create this particular field in your table. Okay, it is mandatory because without this field the trigger is not going to run. Okay, so we have selected the trigger field over here as created. Now before clicking on save and send test request, we are going to just create a new record in our Airtable account over here. Let's give the owner name as Adam Smith, his mobile number, type as flat, asked price as 45 lakhs, address as EM 15, Indus Park, Bhopal, and let's give MP also. Okay, and here we can see that the created date and time is automatically captured. So we have entered all the details. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details of the Airtable base are captured over here. Here we can find the created date and time. Here we can find the owner name. Here we can find the mobile number, its type, its price, as well as the address. So now we want to send a message on Google Hangouts to our team. For that, come to this action step. Choose the application name as Google Hangouts or Google Chat. Select the action event as create message. Click on connect. Now here it is asking for the chat webhook URL. For that, I'll take you to my Google chat room. So here this is my Google chat account where I have created some rooms or some spaces named Pabbly team and Pabbly Connect. So I want all the messages to be displayed on this Pabbly team room over here. So we are going to create an integration between this particular room and Pabbly Connect. For that, just click on this small arrow sign, and here you can find manage webhooks option. Just click on it. Now here we are going to just add another webhook. For that, just click on this add another button. Give a name to the webhook as property details. Okay, I'm just giving a random name, and let's click on save over here. I'll just scroll down. Okay, and let's click on save. And here we can see that a new webhook is created, and here we can find the URL. So I'll just copy this URL from here, and I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll be pasting the same webhook URL over here. Okay. Now it is asking for the message. What is the message you want to send on this particular room? So I have entered the message as hello team, new property lead received. Details are owner name, mobile, type, price, address. So here we are going to map the details which we have already received from Airtable. All these details. So let us map them one by one. Okay, for mapping we have to just click it over here. Come to Airtable. And from here we are going to map the name. And in the same way we are going to map the mobile number from Airtable, and this was the mobile number. Now let us map the type as flat over here. Then we will be mapping the price. And let us map the price over here, and in the same way let us map the address also. So this was the address. And here our message is ready. Now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new message is shared on your Google Hangouts. Let's check it. I'll just close this window, and here we can find a new message. Bot name as property details. Here we can find the message as hello team, new property lead received. Details are owner name Adam Smith, mobile number, type as flat, price, and his address. So in this way our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as we have created an automation, next time whenever you are going to add the details of your property in your Airtable base, automatically your team is going to receive the notification or a message on your Google Hangouts specific room. So let us check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to my Airtable account once again and we are going to enter the details of any other customer this time. Let's give the owner name as Shikha Arya. Let's add the mobile number over here. And property type as bungalow. Amount as 70 lakh rupees. And let us give the address as E4 259 Arera Colony, Bhopal. Okay, and the created date and time is automatically captured. So we have entered the details. Now we have to check our Google Hangouts room. And we have to just refresh it. Okay, and here we have got a new message. Hello team. New property lead received. Details are owner name Shikha Arya, her mobile number, type as bungalow, price as well as the address. So in this way our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Airtable and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of your property that you have entered in your Airtable base, and using those details automatically a message or a notification was shared with your team on Google Hangouts. And in this way we have created a successful integration between Airtable and Google Hangouts using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.